Hey people, this is Satish Kumar from Mechanical Department. I trust everyone are doing good in this pandemic situation. You must do good, spend time with the family and enjoy the time. So this video is going to be a visual presentation about an interesting topic. The topic is what is next. Are you thinking now what is next? Just wait. Before thinking what is next, first of all you should think about now. Because now is the time where we work hard, smart, and whatever efforts we put to get a better next. So I hope you understood. Let me explain. First of all, now means present. Next represents the future. So okay, let me explain in a different way. Now is a raw material. Okay, hope you know about the manufacturing everything. So now is a raw material, and next is going to be a product. So the product should be well designed, that is well created as our requirement. So for that we should work hard, that is how we are going to use the raw material, that is now. How we are using now is going to be the reflection of next. So you have to work hard and smart, like you have to put all your efforts so that you are going to get a better next. So let's take an example, very simple example. A student writing exam. Okay, exam are kept to test the students, so he or she has to score good marks. Only for that purpose exams are kept. So to get good marks, the result is going to be published maybe a month later. So the exam is going to be held tomorrow. The student has to prepare now for the exam which is going to happen tomorrow. Is not only going to prepare for the exam tomorrow, but also for the result which is going to be announced after a month. So for future, anything that is going to be happening in the future, we are only responsible for that. If we desire a very good future, we should work hard in the present. So the student has to read, and you should have all the knowledge. You should gain all the knowledge now, that is in the present, so that if he is trying to get centum in any subject, it is going to be happening in the future. He has to work hard for that in the present, that is now. So this is what the basic concept. Next means the future, now means the present. Let's take another example. So now we are in the pandemic situation. So all we know is COVID-19 is nearly spread all over the world. Many countries are suffering from this COVID-19. So let's take this situation. COVID-19 is not such a that is not such a disease, dreadful disease. We can easily prevent it, but we are not doing it properly. So to have if we should be alive tomorrow, we should prevent ourselves today. So that is, we should follow the government rules. As we all know, government is putting that the announcing the lockdowns and social distancing as and all those stuffs to prevent us from the affected by coronavirus. So we should be aware of all those rules and everything. There is measures to be taken for that COVID-19. If we know that now and we follow it now, we are going to be alive tomorrow. So to live tomorrow, we should be safe today. So everything that is going to be happening in tomorrow, that is the future, depends only on now. So this is what I'm coming to say. Next is nothing but now. So what you do now is going to be your next. So if you do your now better, your next is going to be great. So this is what I'm coming to say. So that's it for the presentation. Have a good day. Thank you.